This is Feelicitous from the beginning, right hand. We start thumb on D and your middle C is down here, so it's a high D. 1, 1, 2, black, 3, swap it to a 2, 2, 3, 4, swap it to a 2, 2, 3, black, 4, 2, 5. I'm going to do those first two bars without talking. Now we've got a high 5 and then we come back down to low D. 1, 2, black, 3, swap it to a 2 again. 4, 5, 4, thumb on D. Come over and mind the gap to 2 on B. Swap it to a 2. Swap it to a 2 again. Swing your thumb under to G. 3, 2, 1. Over with 3. Over with 2. I'm going to play from the beginning, no talking.